How to fix the issue app closing automatically after opening. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is if the app is up to date or not. Open your app store. Now you have to search for the app that you are facing the issue in. After app appears, if you see the option of update as mine, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. This might solve your problem. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your settings app, head towards the option of general. Now go to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device so that all the apps could run smoothly. In the case you don't have enough storage, you can uninstall the unused app. Likewise, heading towards next solution, head back, go to this option of software update. If any software updates are available for your device, just update it to its latest version. You can see that I have software update. If you guys also do have this kind of update, just update your software to its latest version. This might also solve your problem. Likewise, head back. Heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings. Go to the option of general. Scroll all the way down and head towards the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on the option reset. Now click on the option of reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. After you reset your device, this will also fix your problem. If all these solutions doesn't work for you, you can uninstall the app and reinstall it. Head towards the app that you are having issue in, long press on the app, click on the option remove app, click on delete app. After you do that, open your app store, search for the app and download it. Likewise, you can give a fresh restart to your device and then you will be good to go. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix the issue app closing automatically after opening in iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.